Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn adverb. So let us see what is adverb. So before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for many more such interesting videos. Now let's start adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb or an adjective or another adverb. So let us see all this with an example to make it more clear to understand. First examples. Raj runs fast. He rides slowly. Ram rides his bicycle well. She talks loudly. So in this sentence, first one, Raj runs fast. If we see Raj runs, then the sentence is completed. But what is the use of adding fast? So fast showing fast is modifying the verb runs. How Raj runs? Raj runs fast. So just talking about more about the verb runs fast. In the same way, he writes slowly. He writes, everybody writes how as usual. But what is the speciality of the slowly? What slowly tells in the sentence? When slowly is added, then we know that he writes slowly. How he is doing the work? It's slowly. The way of doing work. Ram rides his bicycle well. Ram rides his bicycle. By telling this, we know, yes, as usual, how everybody will ride the bicycle. Like this, Ram also rides bicycle. But well, showing how he rides the bicycle. In the same way, she talks loudly. How she talks? She talks loudly. Everybody talks, but she talks loudly. So here in all the sentence we have seen the word fast, slowly, well, loudly. It modify the verb. It talking, it giving some information about the verb. So these words are called an adverb. Now generally we know an adverb modify a verb, but sometimes it also modify an adjective. Let us see this with an example. He is very good. He is very good. If simply we write he is good, so good is an adjective. But when here added very, very good, so very is telling how much good he is. How much? Talking about the degree of adverb. How much? Very is modifying adjective good. In the same way, the girl is quite pretty. Pretty is an adjective. But when quite is written, quite pretty, quite is modifying the adjective. It shows how much pretty she is. Next one, my dress is too long. My dress is long. Long is an adjective. But when added this word too long, showing how much in the sense of how much. It's too long. Cannot wear it. Next example, The water was extremely cold. Water was cold, it's okay. Cold is an adjective. But when written extremely cold, extremely is showing the degree of adverb. Degree showing how much more, extremely cold. So here we have seen the word very, quite, too, extremely, modifying the adjective. In the same way, adverb modify another adverb. As for example, Ram reads quite clearly. If we write Ram reads clearly, clearly is an adverb. Reads is verb. So clearly showing how Ram reads. But when added quite clearly, quite. So this quite is used to modify this adverb. So this is also an adverb which modify adverb. Next example. He drives extremely fast. He drives fast. But when written extremely fast, showing degree of adverb, how much fast. He walks very slowly. He walks slowly. But when added very is showing how much slowly, how much, showing the degree here also. You are running fast enough. You are running fast. Fast is an adverb. Running fast. So modifying enough is modifying this adverb. Fast enough. Enough is showing the degree of how much. In this sentence we have seen the word quite, extremely, very, enough modifies an adverb. Now see the types of adverbs. First one, adverbs of time. Second, adverbs of frequency. Third, adverbs of place. Fourth, adverbs of manner. Fifth, adverb of degree or quality. Let us see one by one. First one, adverbs of time, which show when. Adverbs of time tells us when an action happened. Let us see with an example. I have heard this before. Before, showing the time. He comes here daily. Daily, show the time. Some words can be used to show an action happened, like before, daily, now, lately, already, yesterday, soon, tomorrow. This type of words tells us about the time when an action happened. Now see the second one, adverb of frequency, which show how often. It describes how often an action happens. See with an example. He often makes mistake. He often makes mistakes. He always tries to do his best. Often. Often showing the frequency. Always also show the frequency of action. Word like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely. This type of words describe how often an action happens. Now, third type, adverbs of place, which show where. It tells us where something happens. Adverb of place are usually placed after the main verb. See with the example. Stand here, go there, walk in. So in this sentence, here, there, in show the adverbs of place. Where. Some words like here, everywhere, outside, inside, away, around. This type of words tells us where something happens. Now fourth one, adverbs of manner, which show how or in what manner. It describes how something happens. See the examples. He runs slowly. She talks loudly. Slowly and loudly tells about the work, how it happens. Run slowly, talks loudly. This group include all those adverbs like slowly, clearly, loudly, bravely, which are derived from adjective and end in ly, li. These words show the adverb of manner, how the work happened. Now fifth one, adverb of degree, which show how much, in what degree, or to what extent something happens. See with the example. He is very good. He drives extremely fast. The word like to, enough, very, extremely, used to show adverbs of degree, and it usually placed before the adjective or adverb. So let us practice all this one with the examples. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more new interesting coming videos. Thank you so much for watching.